flawless. It's running perfectly.
After all this time, we finally did it.
A true marvel of engineering.
Bring it down slowly, watch the east side. All right, hold it steady. We're clear on this end.
Base, send up the next girder. Copy that, sending it up now. Stop. Adjust angle 2 degrees east.
2 degrees east, confirmed. Moving slowly.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another 2 inches.
Confirmed, 2 inches down. Watch the east side clearance. Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slow.
We need that switchgear secured immediately.
Alignment looks good on Sector 7. Lock it down.
Copy. Engaging hydraulics. Stand clear of the panel.
Clip that orange bundle tight right there.
Okay, tensioning tool engaged. Looks secure. Is the alignment still good on tray 4?
Yeah, the laser's holding steady. Keep feeding it through.
Align the connector with the housing.
Got it.
Locking it in now.
Pressure's hitting the red line.
Holding steady at maximum threshold.
Check the alignment on your side, Maria.
It's perfect. Go ahead and drill.
The schematic calls for 75 psi on the hydraulic tool.
Confirmed. The inlet is secure.
Okay, row 7 is live.
Confirmed. Moving to the main hub now.
The CFD looks good here. Airflow is hitting the targets across the board. Confirmed on the checklist. Cables are secured and spaced correctly. Everything looks tight down here.
There's a significant thermal event occurring on the southeast eye.
Confirmed. The gradient suggests a localized power issue rather than uniform heat spread.
The velocity is spiking, it's over 5,000, and the temps are critical near the core.
All leads connected on A2. Voltage numbers stable at 490. Ready for synchronization.
We're live. The first metrics are appearing.
Confirmed. Hash rate is accelerating faster than projected.
Racks 7 through 12 are online.
Power flows steady across the main grid.
They're fully synchronized. Look at the curve.
It's accelerating past projections. Maintain power flow.
Are we fully synced on the mainnet?
Looks good. We're at 100%.
The efficiency curve drops during peak load intervals. We need to adjust the distribution.
Right, that correlates with the profitability metrics we saw yesterday.
The efficiency curves are stabilizing, and the predictive model shows a sharp increase here.
Yes, the hash rate distribution confirms the upward trend. We should project accordingly.
Fault detected on 3C. Deploying ARM for module replacement.
The hash rate distribution stabilized right at the efficiency curve crossover.
Yes, and the predictive model shows a sharp increase in profitability for Q3. Look at this efficiency curve. It's correlating perfectly with the block intervals.
And the profitability models are spiking. This confirms our hypothesis.
Flawless. It's running perfectly.
After all this time, we finally did it.
A true marvel of engineering.